Hello everybody, how are you? Have a good day. Today we have a Ford Edge 2012. The ABS has issue. Already we changed the ABS control module with pump, but should be programmed that way. Okay, now the installed old control module. We go to programming. The car is Ford Edge. The engine is 3.5. Okay, programmed module installation. Which control module? ABS. Okay, they're showing the VIN is VIN. Then this VIN for the car. Okay, yes. Switch on is already switch on. Okay, set switch ignition to off, ignition off. Okay, install the new control module. Okay, we go to install new control module. After that we try to continue the programming. Okay, this is control module, the old one for the car. We change. Okay, after that we install. Okay, ignition on. Okay, okay, setting it to off again. Okay, ignition now. Okay, off again.